Guys, it's here. I got my new phone. I've been refreshing my order status all day for this. Ow! God. Oh my god. Okay, I am filming on my camera and my phone. Look at it. It's very sleek. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, it's so nice. Oh my god. Dude, I'm so excited. It's so big. Oh, I love it. Oh my god. Okay, I thought it was gonna be like super stark white, which is why I second guessed my decision of getting this color, but it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. This is my new phone. It's big. It's so light. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna unseal this paper thing. Oh my gosh. It's so shiny. Oh my god. Okay. It's so pretty. I cannot believe I paid this much for a phone. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna switch it on. Cool. I love it. I'm so glad I got this color. I have to stop recording and go back to work. And love it. Good morning, guys. I don't know what the time is, but it's probably 8:30, I think. I'm just looking at myself in the mirror to see if I'm in focus or not, but yeah. I'm gonna get ready. Oh no, have my breakfast first. Get ready. I'm gonna head to the city today, mainly to get my laptop fixed, but say hi. Okay, I'm gonna get ready. I have so, oh my gosh, I really have like half an hour. I forgot how to get ready. I've not worn makeup in months. Alright, so I'm not gonna be wearing anything like crazy because I'm gonna be wearing a mask, so there's no point going crazy with the makeup if it's just gonna get all over the mask anyway. Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Oh, I really need to wash my brushes. Just wearing my beauty blender with some Fix Plus. I don't always bake. I never bake actually, but I just want to try out this powder because I've never worn it out properly yet because pandemic. I don't really leave the house. So yeah, just gonna leave it on for like a few seconds. Okay, I am slightly rushing, but quick outfit of the day. Shirt is from Motel on ASOS. It's a sheer mesh shirt that I wore with a tube top. Mom jeans from ASOS, belt is from ASOS. Bag is from Kmart. I've got my laptop in here. And then shoes are Supergas. This is a cool one. Guys, I'm so tired. I'm home and look at my mask. There's makeup all over it. Come on, baby. Go on. I'm home. I'm tired. That was a good day. I'm gonna wash my face. The reason why I went to the city in the first place was to go to get my MacBook fixed, but apparently I didn't need to do anything because I don't know why the dough looks so yellow on camera, but it's like a nice orangey color. Why won't it? Frustrated because it won't become rectangular, it's like round. What do I do? This is, it's tiny. Look, they're so tiny. Oh my god. Not bad. It's so good. It's so good.